The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has received attention for its refined design, impressive display, and advanced camera features, making it one of the best options for Android enthusiasts. Design and build. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra features a titanium frame, a flatter design, and no curved display for easier S Pen use. Its heavier frame adds durability but increases weight. Display. The model features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and increased 480Hz PWM frequency, offering clear, colorful visuals. However, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor may not function properly with screen protectors. Camera and AI features. The S24 Ultra from Samsung features a 200 megapixels main sensor, 50 megapixels telephoto lens, dual optical zoom options, AI-powered photography features, and supports up to 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, making it a powerful mobile filming competitor. Performance and battery. Samsung's S24 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, offers exceptional performance in multitasking, gaming, and media applications, running on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a top-tier smartphone with premium design, AI-enhanced features, and high-end hardware, ideal for photography, display quality, and unique S Pen experience.